Hi, I'm Hayden. I'm one of the co-founders of Unloc. We're here in the Verizon London hub with our Changemaker Moments event. We're connecting business leaders with incredible young people from the Unloc network. Thanks to the support of Juniper Networks and Verizon Business, we've been able to create this series of events that's connecting talent to opportunity.
What I enjoy most about these events is actually connecting with young people. As much as we're here to mentor those young people, we get so much back from it. And what I get back from it is actually sharing my journey. My career journey has been anything but linear, and that's okay. And I think there's so much pressure on young people to conform to a very linear pathway. That doesn't have to be the case.
I really love these events because they're a way of showing young people what the future of retail is and how actually it's a really techie career and not necessarily something you think it is. But it's a way of also business leaders speaking to the young people who are the demographic that they want to attract in the future and that they want to sell to, and get that reverse mentoring going between the generations.
I loved the event. The event was amazing. I got to learn about all the new technologies, how the technologies work, and how they can be implemented into our daily lives.
It's okay to try things, to realise that you don't like them. I think there are lots of paths, lots of careers. There are so many jobs that never existed many years ago. So it's okay to fail and realise you don't like them, but at least you gave them a try. And with careers, it's rarely a straightforward line.
You're going to be judged on everything you do. So in general, just like do what you like best, do what you enjoy.
Giving back to youngsters, inspiring youngsters into STEM-related technologies is something fundamental to all of our futures. It's the way the world's going, and if we can just make a change of one youngster, it's worth it.